Whether you're investing in a drone for aerial photography or videography, or even drone racing, some of the best drones you can buy don't cost as much as you think. Flying a drone is never risk-free. Even the best pilots have accidents. That's why we've put together a list of the top 5 best low-cost drones for beginners, so you can find the perfect one for your needs. We have personally reviewed and tested each of these drones, so you can be sure you're getting the best possible product. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. So let's get started with the video. The 5th product in our list is Holystone HS100 FPV drone. This drone is designed to introduce aerial photography novices to the world of cinematic drone photography. At the front of the Holystone HS100 GPS FPV is a fixed 1080p Wi-Fi camera with 120-degree field of view and 90-degree adjustable angle, ensuring you can capture decent footage or stills and experiment with shots from multiple perspectives. The drone is also suitable for use with FPV, first-person view, goggles. Follow Me mode is on hand to further boost the dynamism of your shots, enabling the drone to automatically follow a subject and keep it in the frame at all times, ideal for epic selfies or shooting fast-moving activity. The Holystone HS100 also comes equipped with GPS precise positioning, ensuring smooth flight and the ability to return to the takeoff point at the touch of a button, or as a safety measure if the battery or signal drops. Headless mode and altitude hold take the stress out of flying so pilots can focus on getting their shots in the bag. The Holystone HS100 ships with a brilliant hand controller and a robust cradle for your phone, whether it's Android or iOS. The 4th product in our list is UranHub Drone with camera for beginners. The UranHub Drone isn't here to dazzle, but it's a competent enough flyer to have some fun with, and it conveniently includes a controller and extra batteries. The competition just doesn't leave much reason to choose it. If you want to try your hand at drone piloting but don't want to spend a fortune, the UranHub Drone is likely to be on your radar. This drone offers a bunch of features that go beyond its sub-$70 price tag. In fact, you can often find it on sale for less than that. There are lights for visibility, as the drone has an 80m range, as well as simple takeoff and landing controls. You can also get an FPV through your phone and attach it to the controller, and there's a spare battery in the box to keep you flying for longer. It's not the best in windy conditions and the camera quality isn't up to much, but you do get the full drone experience here without the expense. The 3rd product in our list is POTENSIC A20 Mini Drone. This drone is simple to set up and use. The POTENSIC A20 Mini Drone is great fun to fly and comes with a small controller to make it ideal for kids. It's too light to use outdoors though, and there are lots of similar alternatives that cost less. The POTENSIC A20 is a great option for kids keen to try out their drone skills for the first time. As a beginner's drone, it does what it says on the tin, with all the features you'd expect. Well-protected propellers for those inevitable bumps and scrapes, an emergency stop button for those times when your little darlings fly a little too close to the dog/oven/baby, and an unignorable low-power alarm. It's a breeze to fly inside or outside, if there isn't a breeze. The altitude hold function keeps the drone very stable, and one-touch takeoff and landing controls allow kids to grasp the basics of drone flying in record time. We also love the fact that it comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, minimizing the risk of meltdowns when the drone's power levels start to flag. Top budget choice. The 2nd product in our list is DJI MAVIC Mini. DJI MAVIC Mini is yet another example of DJI mastery of the drone market. This is the loveliest, most desirable little camera-equipped drone ever to snap from the air. Smooth, fast, eminently controllable, and stupefyingly small, DJI MAVIC Mini shoots exceptional 2.7K video and impressive 12-megapixel stills while costing no more than a half-decent compact camera. If you want to shoot video or photos and your budget is an absolute maximum of $400, then stop here now and forget everything else, because this is the drone for you. DJI MAVIC Mini is unquestionably the best high-quality camera-carrying drone for the masses. It weighs a floaty 8.78 ounces, 0.55 pounds, fully loaded, which is a fraction shy of needing to register it with the FAA. Size-wise, this drone is so small it can be hidden under an iPhone and easily tucked into a jacket pocket. Its low weight, small size, and flexible front propeller arms also give it a better chance of surviving a crash. The DJI MAVIC Mini's camera shoots 1080p video at up to 60 frames per second and crisp 2.7K at up to 30 FPS. Believe us, 2.K is plenty sharp enough for the average computer monitor. Its 12-megapixel stills, meanwhile, are nicely detailed. Despite the size, the craft is surprisingly stable in flight and fast and nimble when flown in sport mode. It will easily fly for up to 30 minutes on a single charge and up to 4 kilometers away, far beyond the FAA line-of-sight regulation. Granted, one thing this drone doesn't have is obstacle avoidance, but we don't think this is a deal-breaker if common sense prevails. If you've always hankered after a top-quality camera drone and have 1 cent shy of $400 to spend, then this is far and away the best model for you. It's remarkably stable and reliable in flight, a doddle to control, and it shoots stunningly good cinematic footage to boot. The number one product in our list is RYZE TELLO Mini Drone. There's much to love about the RYZE TELLO drone, from its impressively precise aerial maneuvers to its smooth stabilized video and good app support. However, it's hard to fly in even the lightest wind, and video footage becomes unstable at the outer reaches of the drone's range. If you're looking for a small but exceedingly well-equipped selfie-type drone, then consider this remarkable little contender from RYZE, which is equipped with a lot of DJI source tech. It stays in the air for 13 minutes at a time, comes with digital image stabilization, shoots video in pretty decent 720p, snaps 5-megapixel stills, and hovers on the spot without the aid of GPS. The TELLO weighs just 2.82 ounces and measures 3.85 inches at its widest point. In other words, it's small enough to tuck in a jacket pocket despite not being foldable like the DJI MAVIC range. Although ostensibly designed for indoor flying, this little craft is also adept at flying outdoors as long as it's not too windy. Without GPS on board, it could drift with the breeze and may not make it back to you. To fly it, simply launch the TELLO app on your phone, select hand launch, throw it into the air, and steer it using the virtual joysticks on the screen. Everything the camera sees is streamed to the phone, and because it has digital stabilization, the footage it shoots is surprisingly smooth. The app also comes with a few pre-programmed easy shots, including circle. The drone flies around the user with the camera pointing inwards, and droney, the drone flies away from the pilot while automatically filming at the same time. The TELLO has a 100-meter range and is capable of performing aerobatic stunts. You can also program this drone to perform a series of maneuvers with no real-time input from the pilot. Simply drag a series of named color-coded blocks, take off, fly forward, land, into a specific order, and the TELLO will follow the commands. This is a great educational feature because it teaches kids and adults the basics of robotics in an easy and fun way. At just $100 or $160 for the Elite Combo with 3 batteries and more, this little sky star is a steal. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video, and if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.